My all-new Chase Ink Business Preferred Business Credit Card from Chase has arrived via an extremely urgent envelope, and we are going to unbox it. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to get some cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to get $25 when you open a SOFI checking and savings account and deposit just $10 or more, and to view my all-new site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. I've had my eyes set on this card for at least 3, probably 4, maybe even 5 years now, but I've been over the 524 rule for so long, that's why I've had to postpone this. So now that I was under 524 and able to get approved, it's time to finally get this card actually in my hands. Here we go. That was already quite satisfying. And no surprise, one envelope leads to another, which of course means more sensitive data to cover up via sticky notes. And now let's get a little bit weird and use an unnecessarily large knife to cut open the rest of this small envelope. Here we go. Actually, the blade should probably go that way. Always be careful when opening new credit cards with a large knife, or any knife. Let's see what we've got in here. First up on the back, we've got the What Does Chase Do With Your Personal Information letter. I'm sure you probably don't care a whole bunch about that, but definitely worth reading if you get your own card as well. Followed by your business card agreement, tons of important information in here, including a bunch of helpful information about the credit access line, authorized users, annual fees, and a whole bunch more. Again, look this over. We've then got a couple more, which I'll save toward the end, because I know what you really want to see, of course, is the unopening of the envelope or the rest of the piece of paper here about the card itself. So actually, there's some more sensitive information. Let me cover that up, and then we will show you the card. Okay, now this is a plastic credit card with the numbers on the front, so kind of the old school design. Therefore, I had to take a quick peek at this card and cover up those 16 digits on the front. So forgive me for looking before you all, but there's still a lot of it that is not able to be exposed. So once we unfurl this piece of paper, I'll then take it off, remove the stickers, cover up the sensitive info, and show you the, grand tour of the card. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff. There's the new Chase Ink Business Preferred credit card right there with a cash access line, of $18,000, which I'm really, really happy about. Plenty of room to pay my taxes, so it's not all fun business expenses. Now let me take this card off of the paper and we'll get a better look at it. All right, here you go, the up close and personal view of the card. It does have a nice shine to it. Again, a plastic card. Numbers there on the front, they are the raised numbers, so not printed or flesh up against the card. Then here is the reverse, still numbers covered up, but exposing as much as it possibly can. You'll notice that little Wi-Fi banded looking logo there, which means it is a contactless card. Also has that on the front in case you didn't catch it. So you can tap this card to pay. And it's also compatible with mobile wallets. So if you want to add this to, for example, Apple Pay, Android Pay, something like that, to use your mobile phone for your business expenses on the go, that's also a great way to do it. And I'm very excited to announce that the addition of this card completes my Chase trifecta on the business side. So I also have the business cash right over here. I'll show you those two up close right there. And then the Chase Ink Business Unlimited, which is a darker gray card. Let's see if I can hold all 3 of these here for you. So there's the Chase Business trifecta, if you will, all side by side. My goal is to keep this all on the screen for you all as best I can. So these are the newer card designs as well. They've undergone some, art or overall design changes over the past year or so. Do let me know, based on the old cards, do you like these new looks better? Are they more modern, sleek, contemporary, or do you like the older ones better? So again, here's the new design for the Ink Business Preferred. Here is the old design that was available not too long ago. Kind of cool, actually. I like the old one. although I think the new one can also grow on me as well. So from a design perspective, at least which of these two do you like best? Drop your vote down below in the comments. And of course, the Chase Business Quadfecta is coming apparently sometime soon. Right now, the landing page for the all-new Chase Business Premier card, which has never been launched before. It's an all-new product. That page still says coming soon. It used to have a countdown timer for about a month, and then when that counter went all the way down to 0, it then just said coming soon. So obviously that card has been delayed. It's now been, I believe, several months. So I'm not sure what the new time frame is, but I'll probably end up adding that card at some point as well. Unlike these three that all earn Ultimate Rewards points that can be pooled together in one account balance, the new Ink Business Premier, whenever that launches, does not earn the regular Ultimate Rewards points. It will not have transfer partners or anything like that. No elevated boost for travel redemptions. It might have pay yourself back, not sure. But again, the nice thing about the trifecta here is that these two have no annual fee, and this one has a $95 annual fee, and it's kind of like the business version of the Sapphire Preferred on the personal side. So pool all the points from all three of these cards together, push them onto the preferred side, and this one, again with the $95 fee, gives you access to all the transfer partners, 25% more value for pay yourself back under business categories that may change over time, and 25% more value for your points via the Ultimate Rewards portal. And yes, if you also have the Chase Freedom cards or Sapphire cards on the personal side, the points earned on those cards, still Ultimate Rewards points, can be pulled over to the business side or business to personal, either way, and again, all combined into one account balance. So if you want to build a Chase Superfecta of 3, 4, 5, 6 or more cards working together in different rewards categories to help you maximize your earnings on both personal expenses and business, that's a great way to really accelerate your earnings, get a ton of points from your everyday spend, and of course, big points up front with the bonuses in year one as you go along. And lastly, the remaining two documents that came in the envelope, the first of which was the Guide to Benefits. Also look through this every time you get a new card. This goes over all the insurance and protections, the deductibles, what's covered, what's not, etc. So if you ever want to get, lost luggage reimbursement, extended warranty, whatever, those types of things are mentioned in your Guide to Benefits. Very helpful to look that over. And second is the little brochure here, all about the rewards program through Ultimate Rewards. The first page of which shows you all the different rewards multipliers and a summary of the different insurance and protections that come with this card. Then skipping over a few more pages, here it also talks about that 25% boost in value, the transfer partners on a one-to-one basis, additional rewards, etc. Plus the program terms for Ultimate Rewards, so all the details about that as well. So again, worthwhile to read, especially if you're newer to the rewards program that comes with this card and the ones that work with it. And in case you're curious about why I got this card, here are the reasons. Number one was the welcome bonus. A 100,000 point offer is very, very substantial. It's worth at least $1,250 toward travel or $1,000 of cash back. Either way, it's great, especially for a card with a low annual fee of only $95. So there's a lot of profit here to be had. Reason number two is that it's a good potential replacement to my current Chase Sapphire Preferred or CSP card. I actually want to get the CSP again with a new welcome offer, ideally 80,000 points or more, and I'll need to downgrade my existing CSP to make that happen. That's because Chase will not let you open a new Sapphire branded card if you already have one open. Also, the Ink Business Preferred has identical transfer partners and the same 25% greater point value towards travel and also pay yourself back. Although those pay yourself back categories are different on the business card. And those are the two main reasons why I have the Sapphire Preferred open in the first place. Reason number three is that I want to pay taxes and other business expenses, and this is an easy way to meet the welcome offer spend requirement. Because I do have those pending charges, I've been putting them off a little bit, waiting to get myself a new card. And of course, this card worked out very well with the credit line that I received, plus a very high lucrative offer. And the value of that offer will significantly outweigh the cost of the fees incurred by paying taxes on a credit card. And reason number four, it does not increase my 524 count. You must be below 524 to get approved for a Chase Business credit card, but it will not increase your 524 count after approval. Also, if you'd like to learn more about the Chase Business Preferred credit card, I did an in-depth review video of it probably a year ago. So although it's a bit dated, the information should still be correct because the card has not changed much at all other than the design of it. So I'll link to that review down below in the comments, as well as an end card to this video that we can go right from this one to the next, again, to learn more about it. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to get some cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to get $25 when when you open a SOFI checking and savings account and deposit just $10 or more, and to view my all-new site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you at least a little bit of value. Although it was not the most educational video in the world, it's still fun to do these unboxings for a new card. I look forward to seeing you in future videos, and while you're waiting on my next upload, remember always that you are great.